Hello, G-Traders!
Good afternoon. Welcome to ИнстаФорекс Economic News channel with us, Kate Nidachina
and Anna Kasatkina.
You're watching combined currency and commodity review for the last week.
What currencies were in demand last Friday?
Traders flocked to the US dollar, while the euro lost some ground.
And what triggered such a dynamic?
As the ECB unveiled its stimulus program, the euro went down on Thursday. On Friday, the euro hit its lowest level to the US dollar since September of 2011. The European single currency lost 3% to the greenback at the end of the last week, while the major losses were logged for the last two trading days after the ECB kicked off its quantitative easing program. The volume of the program turned out to be more than the market priced in. Mario Draghi, the ECB's president, reported Thursday that the regulator plans to buy 60 billion euros of governmental and public debts starting from March 2015 until September of 2016, leaving the door open for further softening. The euro traded in a narrow range after falling to $1.11.15, the lowest level since September of 2003. The European unit closed the session out at 1.1206. At the same time, the US dollar inched up against its New Zealand and Canada's national units as the fall in commodity prices weighed on these economies. The Australian dollar dropped below 80 cents for the first time since July 2009 and hit its session low at 79.13 US cents. Last Friday, the currency pair traded at 82.24. Expectations for slower Chinese GDP growth and slump in commodity prices are Australia negative, as the country is the largest exporter of iron ore. Similar problems affected the New Zealand dollar. The currency fell to 74.51 US cents on Friday, the lowest level since the end of 2011. The Canadian dollar went down to 80.5 US cents, the minimum of early 2009. And this is all about the currency moves for now.
Thank you for the currencies overview, Anna.
You're welcome, Kate. And what was the situation on the commodity floors last week?
Oil showed mixed dynamic. Gold gave back its positions.
And what entailed the commodities sell-off?
Strengthening of the US dollar and news about the death of King of Saudi Arabia, the largest oil exporting country. In New York, oil futures finished at the lowest level since March 2009. Weekly losses exceeded 7%. Meanwhile, Brent oil futures traded high on London exchange. Investors digested the news about the death of Saudi Arabia king and reports about a modest improvement in China's industrial sector. Elsewhere in the USA, March WTI oil futures cheapened 1.26% to $45.59 per barrel, logging lowest level since March 11, 2009. The weekly decline was 7.9%. Meanwhile, Brent futures for March delivery nudged up 0.6% to $48.79 per barrel. Nevertheless, the quotes went down 2.8% over the week. Besides, gold futures failed to fix above $1,300 as the US dollar settled high against its counterparts. Gold futures for February delivery shot 0.6% in COMEX to end at $1,292.60 per troy-ounce, amazing losses of 1.2% on the week. The yellow metal rose above $1,300 on Thursday for the first time since August 2014. Stronger US dollar is usually bearish for commodities expressed in the US dollar. For instance, gold denominated in euro rose sharply amid single currency fall.
Kate, thank you for the commodity currencies overview.
You're welcome, Anne.
So you have watched weekly currency and commodity review on ИнстаФорекс TV channel.
The review was presented to you by me, Kate Nidachina.
And me, Anna Kasatkina.
Take care and goodbye.
See you soon.